On today's body cam, we're checking out cops can't believe how drunk woman is during her 4th DUI.
Cars and park, it's off.
Damn, she out.
Police department, open up the door. Open the door.
41, put them over just to be right on the floor.
Hey there.
Hey.
What you doing?
Robert Queen Mary
Sleeping?
16.
You got your driver's license on you? Can you hand it to me? I need your driver's license, please, ma'am. Go to my truck and get my big metal clipboard for you. Your driver's license, please, ma'am.
Where are you coming from?
Oh,
Do you know where your driver's license is at?
shit. I'm so sorry.
There we go. Are you Lisa?
I am.
That's your name? Can you step out here for me, please?
Yeah, it's gonna be Lisa Marie Leathers.
Temple.
Oh, you peed in the seat.
No, I didn't.
You did. Look.
No, I didn't.
What is that?
Well, we can figure that out later. Come step over here for me.
Lisa.
Let's go my phone.
No. Lisa, go over there with him. No, you don't need your phone. Leave your phone. Leave your phone and stuff in here. Lisa. Hey,
Oh.
leave your phone and stuff right here. Leave it up here somewhere. Leave your vape in your purse.
These kids are so addicted to that vape, man. That is every kid. Like, it's like, damn, for the old school, it was cigarettes back in the day. You know what I'm saying? Man, bruh, if you smoke cigarettes, right, that is so outdated. Like, I feel like I'm in the mix, 30s, 32. People my age, around there, we looking at cigarette smokers like, but then they came out with the vape, you know what I mean? And it's like, that's no better, but they got the different flavors and stuff like that or whatever. And it's more pleasant for people to be around, like socially, that's the whole thing with it. It's like, okay, if I'm chilling and I'm hanging with somebody and he's smoking a cigarette, it stinks, okay? It stinks. But if they got their little vape, whatever, Fruity Pebbles, I don't know, whatever, flavors they have or whatever, it's like, okay, whatever.
All right, go have a couple.
Holy crap.
All right.
Yeah.
Yes.
You okay?
Yes.
Are you able to stand on your own?
Yes.
Okay. I want you to go to the end of this white line here. Go grab a pair.
I'm unable to perform.
Let me go grab some. You got some?
Get them up my market. Lisa, where did you come from? Whiskey's? Could have been for this.
Come from a friend's house? Yeah? Okay. I'm going to check your eyes. I want you to stand with your feet together and your arms down by your side for me, okay? All right, I want you to look at the tip of my finger. With your eyes and your eyes only. Try not to move your head for me, okay? Harmon, catch the side here. Do you see my finger?
Bro, this is a wrap, bro. Arrest her, bro. This is... You can't even do these tests, man. Just it's over.
Try not to move your head. All right. Are you wearing contacts?
Yes.
Yes. Are they for close-sightedness or far-sighted?
Nearsighted.
Nearsighted? All right. Place your left foot on the line for me. Place the right heel Please, excuse me. Put your right heel against the toe of your left foot. There you go.
It's
Put your arms at your
over.
side.
She can't do it.
Okay.
I don't want
You don't want to do it? You want to try again?
what are my rights? I need to.
I'm trying to figure out if you're safe to operate a motor vehicle. There's no reason to read you your rights.
No, could I have my mom?
No, ma'am. Are you refusing to perform?
Look, see, big man right here. He been flat. He said it from the jump. He's like, she's unable to perform, and he kind of trying to flag him like, yo, it's over. Watch big man.
My mom?
No, ma'am. Are you refusing to perform these exercises?
I have my mom.
Can you have a mom?
I have a mom.
You have a mom.
I have a mom.
No, ma'am. Are you refusing to perform these exercises?
Can I have my mom?
No, ma'am. You're being placed under arrest for DUI.
Walk that way. Hey. Walk this way, okay?
6-1 penalty.
It's probably gonna be told. There's a way to start. I need you to get in there and have a seat, all right? All your belongings will go with you. I'll bring your phone and wallet or whatever.
Do you want some?
I know, awesome. Yes.
Can you please call him?
Who is that to you?
That is my brother.
That's your brother?
Yes, my son.
right.
Please call him.
Get in there and I will call Gio.
Okay. All right. Scoot back.
Please call him son.
You need to scoot back.
Please
Get
call
in.
us out.
Hey,
We will.
get
Get in
inside. You gotta get inside, no matter what.
Okay.
So we need to sit back.
Yes. Please call us out.
Watch your feet.
So I think she said that's her brother or stepbrother or something like that, who's a cop. Man, she needs to get 3 to 5. There's no reason she should even be on the street to even get a 4th DUI. 4 is insane. 1, maybe even 2. Okay, all right. You've gotten 3. And this is your 4th. You need to go to jail. My bad. You need to go to prison. Okay? Now, I give her credit for pulling over, noticing that, she can't keep driving, to get a quick nap, whatever. But still, you shouldn't even be operating at all the way she is. She needs 3 to 5 years, man. And I know judges don't really put people behind bars no more for things like this, but that's the only way she's gonna learn, because every time, oh, my brother's a cop. Like, nobody ain't trying to hear that, man. You are a danger to everybody else on them roads.
Dude, she is toasted right now. Step up. Yeah, I can tell.
She hurt.
Go ahead. Tip or beach, copy that. Go to the store.
Wow.
Step in here. I can see that blue chair or black chair in the corner. If you would log observation start at 118. 61. Yeah.
3 DUIs.
3 previous convictions.
I don't see convictions under them, but there is 3 from 2 different years.
Okay.
Her case is not that long, just those.
Okay. Thank you.
See, so no convictions. She has 3. She's been pulled over for them, but no convictions. So she either got them, I would say, dropped or whatever, or something lesser or whatever. But she's been pulled over for it 3 times. No convictions. Wow.
You're gonna be cool. Are you gonna be chill?
Obviously, I'm not gonna be a crazy person.
Well, I don't know. You don't know me. For my own safety.
So, officer,
Yep.
do you have my phone?
Yep. And your keys.
Am I allowed to call my mom?
After we get done here. Open your mouth for me so I can make sure that you don't have anything in there like bubble gum.
Oh, yeah.
Lift your tongue the other way. Okay.
Oh, yeah. Did you arrest me?
Yep.
I'm not gonna let me have my phone.
Not in this room. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining its alcohol content. Will you take this test?
No.
Okay. If you do not provide a breath sample, you're going to get another charge. So you will get 2 charges.
I refuse that.
Okay. Once this time runs out, I will afford you one last opportunity. If you choose not to, that's totally up to you. But if you decide to, you're more than welcome to.
Sorry.
We get 8 minutes. Don't hit that.
Okay.
Because you were sleeping,
I was leaving.
you were leaving. You were going the wrong way to leave.
But do you have a heart?
I do have a heart, just not for people who are dangerous on the road.
Did I match on you with Tinder? Like, please stop. Like, let's actually, like, listen
Did
to
you match with me on Tinder? No, I'm married and I haven't had Tinder, so. You want to go on?
No, why would I?
You don't want to?
Why would I do that?
Alright, you're getting an extra charge.
An extra charge?
Yep. So if you plenty of opportunity, you get another charge.
What?
Yep. For refusing to submit to lawful test of your breath.
I didn't know that.
I explained it to you and you said no, so.
You've been through this ordeal a couple of times. You should know. And then I'm sitting there thinking about it. Well, no convictions. Well, she could also still be going through the process or whatever. But anyways, yeah, she should know the deal. Field sobriety tests, you don't do those. But those, you got to do them. The chemical test, man. It is what it is.
Oh, there was another paper.
Yeah, this is to suspend your license for your 4th DUI. Stand up.
You're gonna...
Stand up, or I'm going to assist you up. Stand up. Can you come to the holding cells, please?
I can have my phone.
Yeah, and once we get outside, I've got some stuff I gotta do. Because you peed on your clothes and in your car, I've gotta wipe everything down in there now.
Don't mind me.
61 Pinole Beach. That female will be 1015 for signal 1, signal 18. She'll also be 1015 for refusal. All right, stand up. Stand up.
No.
Yes.
I'm not gonna do that.
Stand up.
We're actually not gonna do that. Oh my God.
All right, you're gonna stand up
What's wrong with
and
you?
stay right there.
What is wrong with you?
Now let's walk.
You said I could get my phone.
Yeah, which is in my car outside. Step up. In my car. I'm gonna be a while because now I'm gonna do a complaint for Signal 18.
Like, I don't need to have my arms on my back. Like, let's undo that. Let's actually undo that. There's no solution. I'm not a criminal. Like, damn. I ain't a criminal.
She was officially charged with refusing to submit a breath test and felony DUI, her 4th DUI offense within 10 years. After her arrest, she was released on a $20,000 bond with strict conditions, no alcohol consumption, and random drug testing through pretrial release. She later entered a plea of not guilty and demanded a jury trial. The case remains open, with both sides currently moving through the pretrial process.
Looking for